Hey there! Today, we'll dive into the Aurochs Sales Compensation Platform and see how to define a typical healthcare payout curve. Ready to roll? Let's get started. Here's the payout curve screen under the Curves tab in the Config section of Aurochs. Neat, right? This screen showcases a list of payout curves, commission tables, and matrix curves already defined within the platform. Now, click on Add Curve and then select Lookup Curve to get started with a standard payout curve. First up, let's give our curve a snazzy name and a brief description. Next, it's time to map out the critical points on our payout curve. In Lookup, you'll define the achievement point, and in Value, you'll set the percent of target earnings for that achievement point. For starters, let's set 0% of target at 0% achievement. And guess what? If we keep the regime above this as flat, our curve will maintain 0% of target till we define our next achievement point. Next, we'll set the threshold at 40% of achievement, which earns a cool 70% of target. From here, we'll opt for interpolate handling, letting earnings rise smoothly. Moving on, we'll mark the sweet spot, 100% achievement, which equates to 100% of target earnings. But why stop there? Let's kick things up a notch. At 120% achievement, we'll award a whopping 150% target. Lastly, we'll shape the curve to have a gentler slope till 200% of target and cap it off with a flat handling. But if you're in the mood to keep the curve uncapped, Aurochs has got you covered. You can set an infinity rate to define the continuous percent target increase. And here's a bonus. Aurochs lets you define your curve either as a percent of the plan's target or directly in dollar earnings. Super flexible, right? Once you're happy with your curve, hit Save, and voila, you're all set. Thanks for joining us today, and happy curving with Aurochs!